Hey friends, if you wish to make your taskbar transparent on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So this is the taskbar and it is usually transparent unless you specifically make it opaque. Now, I use the word transparent, but it's actually translucent. What does it mean by making it transparent? There's no way to make it transparent. Here's what you can do about it though. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the accessibility tab on the list on the left hand side. Now in the right pane you'll find an option for colors. Okay, and then select that one, and there's this option for colors here. Now there's something called as transparency effect. If you turn it off, you'll notice that this has become totally opaque, black. And if you turn it on, it will suddenly become transparent. So this is the maximum you can do. I mean, not transparent, translucent. You can see the background somewhat, and that's what is the maximum that can be done for it. However, if you wish to remove it, you can always hide it, but there's nothing much more that you can do to make it transparent. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.